Hello everyone, I am Suruchi Ronyar, an ACCA student at NC College of Management. I think ACCA exams can be challenging, but it's truly rewarding. A student needs to study and prepare well. And one thing that I have personally noticed is that a student must be very careful while reading the questions in the exams because answer choices have given based on the common mistakes that could be made while attempting the questions in the exam, and a student must attempt every questions. Even if you don't know the answer, you will not lose anything by just guessing. So it's just that you need to think very carefully before you guess. And if we talk about ACCA study materials, then they are available in various formats to us like study textbook, exam kits and online resources, and they cover all the necessary topics for ACCA exams and provides us with in-depth explanations, practice questions and examples. And in this modern times, we can also access different video lectures and recorded speeches by experienced experts and professionals. So I believe that it is a great way to supplement our studying and to gain a more deeper understanding in the topics. Listening to experts and professionals helps us to grasp complex concepts very easily. Everyone has different study style, and it's very important to choose your study material that align with your learning style and preferences. And in case of my journey of using ACCA study materials, I have read out to a particular topic in the study textbook, then I jump to exam kits to do questions, and if I stuck somewhere in the questions, then I revise the topic again and give a great comeback to the question. And I think this trick has helped me quite well to prepare for my exams in a better way. And moving to ACCA website, I prefer to use it, and I believe it's a must visit for every ACCA students. It offers study resources and exam details, past questions, and even an online learning platform and everything that an ACCA student needs to succeed. And it also updates us with news of the accounting world globally. And I believe that it's definitely worth it to explore it to enhance our ACCA journey. Thank you.